everyone, so today's recipe is very unique. This recipe belongs to my Khatri community. It's called Urad Dal and mostly everyone loves this dal, and many people don't know about this because this recipe was never shared. So today I'll be sharing with you my ancestors community recipe. Let's get started. To make this dal, we need to soak our urad dal for at least 7 to 8 hours, then rinse it with clean water 3 times, and this is my washed urad dal. And we also need some basic spices. Let's get started. So this dal is special. We don't need to do any tempering. Just take a pressure cooker, put your soaked dal inside, add some oil. Over here, do not use olive oil, okay? I am using canola oil, but use any unflavored oil. Next goes our turmeric, salt, and red chili. My red chili is spicy over here, so that's the reason I am adding less over here, and we'll also add some green chili. So adjust the spices according to your need. We'll add some asafoetida. Stir everything so that our masalas are combined. Now we'll make a paste of ginger garlic chili. Now also our ginger garlic chili paste goes in our dal. Stir everything. And now let it cook without water for at least 5 to 8 minutes. And here I'm stirring it in between so that it doesn't get stick at the bottom. Again close the lid. Now stir it to make sure our masalas are well coated. And now we'll add some water. So here I am using my ginger garlic paste water. In the same blender I just put some water inside so that I could get all the ginger garlic chili paste outside, and some extra water. Remember, the water level should be 1 inch above your urad dal. It shouldn't be more, otherwise it's going to get sticky and it does not taste good if it's sticky. Your dal needs to be separated in order for you to get the flavorful dal. Now over here, this is the trick, okay? You need to make sure your spices are right. How are you going to know? By tasting the water. Water should be slightly salty and slightly spicy. Okay, so I needed to add some more salt, so that's the reason I'm adding it. If you think you have added more spices, then remove the water from here, okay? And add some clean pure water without having any spices inside. That's the way to reduce spices. Now let it get cooked for 5 to 8 minutes on a low flame. Now my all water is gone. Now this dal is tricky, okay? Sometimes it would get cooked in like 15 to 20 minutes. Sometimes it doesn't cook like this and you have to pressure cooker. See, my dal is not cooked. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some water, little bit of water, not too much, okay? 1/8 cup of water, stir everything. Now I'm going to pressure cook it. This is the only way I could get my dal cooked. But many times the dal would get cooked with the lid on only. But this dal, I don't know what happens, it never cooks outside. I had to do pressure cooker, only 1 whistle. Do not do it more than that, okay? Otherwise it's going to get very sticky. So now my water is all gone. Stir everything very gently, okay? Your dal should not be breaking. It should be separated. And if you check the dal, it is also cooked. So now this dal is ready to eat. You see this, how separated all the dals are? This is how it should be done. And now we serve it with some onion, tomato, cilantro, and some lime juice. Just mix everything, and this is how my thali looks like. Just sprinkle some olive oil on the top when you eat the urad dal, okay? Just half teaspoon of olive oil on the top of the dal, and you serve it with our onion, tomato, kachumbar. It's called kachumbar, and you eat it with chapati. I hope my recipe was helpful to you. Let me know if you have any questions and concerns. Thanks for watching. Bye.